Welcome to the channel. Today we will be working on a Toyota MR2 Spyder. We will work to unclog the soft top drain. Water that rolls off from the top will come down and roll down to the side into a bladder. And then the water will exit through a drain hole that is behind this side vent. If the drain hole is clogged, the water will eventually build up and will come in to the interior of the vehicle. Let's see if we could see any water inside the vehicle. With the top partially down, you should be able to access the drain bladder, and you could clearly see there is water. I'm going to go ahead and put a chamois down just to show you that there is water. The chamois is completely dry. And you can see there's water. The soft top drain is behind the side cover on both sides of the vehicle. The cover is held by 3 clips. Typically, to remove the cover, you may either pull on the cover or use a trim tool to pull the cover off. This is an 18-year-old vehicle, so most likely the clips will break as you remove the cover. So first I am going to attempt to clean the drain without removing the cover. If you're working indoor, go ahead and put a drain pan to avoid making a big mess. With the top halfway open, you should be able to access the bladder through the back side. Reach through the back and down. Clean out the debris. When I reach in, I could feel the top of the drain. I'm going to use compressed air to blow out any remaining debris. Let's see if the drain has been cleared. Looks like the water is flowing clearly. No restrictions. If you like more MR2 content, please give it a thumbs up and comment below. Thanks for watching.